Welcome to the channel and welcome to Painetchocolatrd, a pastry and coffee shop in Villa Olga, as we continue our new monthly installment where we feature a new local business you might want to patron on your next visit to Santiago. Here, they not only serve freshly made baked goods, but a variety of locally made jams, salsas, salads, and granola as they continue to support local businesses like themselves. But make sure not to leave without some of the best brownies, artisanal breads, croissants, cinnamon rolls, and donuts that you've ever tasted in all of Santiago. Now, they have a great variety, but in the back, don't leave without checking, they also sell artisanal ponches in a variety of flavors and chocolate mousse desserts that they have brought in. The baker and founder has studied culinary arts throughout the world and is well known in Santiago for years of working out of El Rinconcito prior. Now when you're there, another must-have is a cappuccino or espresso, freshly ground on premises and made to order to round out just a perfect trip to Painetchocolatrd. Now, let's move on to Azalea Boutique, located in Los Jardines on the cross streets of Avenida Metropolitana and Calle Ramirez, which is right near Bella. This boutique has everything you would need to entertain or just simply decorate your home, your room, or your office. Seasonal items do go fast, so don't wait on anything if you're thinking about purchasing. There's a little something for absolutely everyone. There are jewelry, hats, purses, mugs, all types of things for mom, dad, husband, or wife, and even a lot of picnic gear. We looked through their wares and found these beautiful handmade coffee spoons and an insulated backpack to add to our home. So like we always say, we wouldn't send you anywhere we haven't tried ourselves. So again, we will see you on the next video. Make sure to hit subscribe, hit notifications, give this on all videos a thumbs up. Remember that all information is located underneath the video, and we will see you on the next video.